Oh, why should I have spring fever when it isn't even spring?
As you can tell, we're going to Goblers Knob. What's so spectacular about Goblers Knob? This guy. Punxsutawney Phil. Would he have predicted this weather today? Well, here we are at Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, for Punxsy Phil's the official weather annual predictions on Groundhog Day every February 2nd. Right down there is the stage. Oh my goodness. If Punxsutawney Phil could have told us today was going to be a weather like this, we better hurry it up. Right here is Goblers Knob, where they make their prediction every February 2nd. Right here. Oh my goodness. They stand up here just to pull the little rodent out. There he is. There he is, Punxsutawney Phil. And Phil comes out right here. Let's see. Is Phil in here? Nope, Phil's locked up. Phil would be right in here. Wow. It's getting ready to rain. But this is where they pull Phil out of the burrow and at Goblers Knob. It's getting ready to storm out this way. What would Phil have to say about this today? There's a little bit of things to see and do in Punxsutawney. There he is. There's Phil. Hopefully we see him today.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. It's shaking us. Severe thunderstorm watch. They just put it out. Till 8 p.m. Oh my God.
Which way is it coming from? Punxsutawney knew. Punxsutawney knew. So here we are, downtown Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. This is going to be a quicker trip because even worse storms are coming. So, right across the street, we're going to check out Phil and get a souvenir. Chamber of Commerce is right here. Phil's official souvenir shop. Right here he is. Look how happy he is. Good old Phil. How you doing, Phil? Look, Phil's tracks are right there. We're going to go right on in. Well, we're at the plaza where Punxsutawney Phil will be. Where is he? Right here.
What's up, guys? It's just me. Don't mind me. I didn't predict all this bad weather. No, I didn't. Nyeh, look at me. That's gonna be my new best friend.
Oh, that's better.
Hi there. What's the paper say today? I didn't predict this weather. Hi, Gypsy Lynn. I'm following you. I'll nibble in your ear. Yum, 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 yum.
This is a nice little park they have up here. Under better days and normal conditions. Here we are, Phil's Burrow. There it is, Phil's Burrow. Can we see him? Where is he? There's his food. Is he hibernating already? No, that's not him. Here's everything you need to know to get you around town for Punxsutawney Phil. No, there's family right here. What do you think about that? Let's watch the real. Is that Punxsutawney Phil or Phyllis? Supposedly there's another one in here. Little Philip. I love groundhogs. Do you know the difference between a groundhog and a gopher? Look at him chow down. Yum, 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 yum. I'm subscribed to the Mad Nomadder. Why aren't you? Punxsutawney Phil, presented by his admirers on July 9th, 1977. Look at how beautiful this representation of Phil is. Like I said, all these line the streets. There's many of them. Here's the Statue of Liberty, the 4th of July Phil. This one's called Freedom Phil.
He's got freedom on his butt.
Does he really? Let's look at. He does. Let freedom ring.
I like freedom.
Get a little bit of downtown Punxsutawney. The real life Punxsutawney. Not the one with Bill Murray and Groundhog Day movie, but the real deal. It's right here. So in the movie, they would go in the center of town, and this would be portrayed where we went to Goblers Knob. So that's one of the major differences. And I believe the film was either filmed in Iowa, Illinois, whatever it wasn't here. Like I said, I wish there's supposed to be bad storms here in another 2-3 hours, and we gotta get on home or else we're gonna get stuck, and we're gonna be like in the movie Twister.
No, not Twister, Mad Nomadder. I didn't predict that. No, sirree. I'm subscribed to the Mad Nomadder. Why aren't you?